Hello students, today we will continue the chapter Forest and Wildlife Resources in this video. The Himalayan yew in trouble. The Himalayan yew, which is also called Taxus valenciana, is a medicinal plant found in various parts of Himachal Pradesh and Arunachal Pradesh. A chemical compound called taxol is extracted from this tree and successfully used to treat some cancers. The drug is now the biggest selling anti-cancer drug in the world. The species is under great threat due to overexploitation. Conservation of forest and wildlife in India. Conservation preserves the ecological diversity and our life support systems, water, air, and soil. It also preserves the genetic diversity of plants and animals. The Indian Wildlife Protection Act was implemented in 1972 with various provisions for protecting habitats by banning hunting, giving legal protection to their habitats, restricting trade in wildlife. Government established national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. Government also announced several projects for protecting specific animals. The central government also announced various projects for protecting gravely endangered animals. And these animals are the tiger, the one-horned rhinoceros, the Kashmir stag or hungal. Three types of crocodiles are freshwater crocodile, saltwater crocodile, and the gharial, the Asiatic lion, and others. Most recently, the Indian elephant, black bug, which is also called chinkara, the great Indian bustard, also known as Godwan, and the snow leopard, etc., have been given full or partial legal protection against hunting and trade throughout India. Project Tiger. Tiger is one of the key wildlife species in the faunal web. Project Tiger, one of the well-published wildlife campaigns in the world, was launched in 1973. In 1973, the authorities realized that the tiger population had dwindled to 1,827 from an estimated 55,000 at the turn of the century. Now, the major threats to tiger population. The major threats are poaching for trade, shrinking habitat, depletion of prey-based species, growing human population, etc. Project Tiger. Tiger is one of the key wildlife species in the faunal web. Project Tiger, one of the well-published wildlife campaigns in the world, was launched in 1973. In 1973, the authorities realized that the tiger population had dwindled to 1,827 from an estimated 55,000 at the turn of the century. Now, the major threats to tiger population. The major threats are poaching for trade, shrinking habitat, depletion of prey-based species, growing human population, etc. Now, the next topic is conservation of biodiversity. The conservation projects are now focusing on biodiversity rather than on a few of its components. Even insects are beginning to find a place in conservation planning. In the notification under Wildlife Act of 1980 and 1986, several hundred butterflies, moths, beetles, and dragonfly have been added to the list of protected species. In 1991, for the first time, plants were also added to the list, starting with 6 species. Types and distribution of forest and wildlife resources. These resources are classified under the following categories. Number first is reserved forest. More than half of the total forest land has been declared reserved forest. Reserved forests are regarded as the most valuable. Number second category is protected forest. Almost one third of the total forest area is protected forest. This forest land are protected from any further depletion. And the third category is unclassed forest. These are other forest and wasteland belonging to both government and private individuals and communities. Reserved and protected forests are also referred to as permanent forest estates maintained for the purpose of producing timber and other forest produce and for protective reasons. Community and conservation. Forests are also home to some of the traditional communities struggling to conserve these habitats along with government officials. In Sariska Tiger Reserve, Rajasthan, villagers have fought against mining by citing the Wildlife Protection Act. Sacred groves, a wealth of diverse and rare species. Nature worship is an age old tribal belief that all creations of nature have to be protected. Virgin forest in pristine form called sacred groves, the forest of God and goddesses. These forests have been left untouched. Certain societies revere a particular tree. Example, the Mundas and Santhal of Chota Nagpur region worship Mahua and Kadamba trees. And the tribals of Odisha and Bihar worship the tamarind and mango trees during weddings. To many of us, people and banyan trees are considered sacred. Children, the last topic of this chapter is Chipko movement. The famous Chipko movement in Uttarakhand successfully resisted deforestation and has also shown that community afforestation with indigenous species can be enormously successful. Farmers and citizens groups like the Beej Bachao Andolan in Tehri and Navdanya have shown that adequate levels of diversified crop production without the use of synthetic chemicals are possible and economically viable. Next is JFM. In India, Joint Forest Management program furnishes a good example for involving local communities in the management and restoration of degraded forest. The program has been started in 1988 in Odisha. Joint forest management depends on the formation of local means village institutions that undertake protection activities mostly on degraded forest land managed by the forest department. Thank you for watching the video.